Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer commissions from Rakuten Advertising to your bank step by step clearly. To begin the process of transferring commissions from Rakuten Advertising to your bank, log in to your Rakuten Advertising account. Navigate to the Reports section on your dashboard. Select Commission Report to view your earnings. Review your commissions to ensure they are accurately reflected. Next, go to the Payments section of the site. Here, you will find the available payment options. Choose Initiate Payment or a similar option to start the transfer process. Confirm that your payment details are up to date. If you need to add a new bank account, select the option to do so. Enter your bank account details, ensuring accuracy. Once your banking information is confirmed, proceed to select the amount you wish to transfer. Review the transfer details carefully. Confirm the transaction to finalize the transfer process. You should receive a confirmation notification regarding your payment request. Keep an eye on your bank account for the deposit. The processing time may vary, so be patient as the funds are transferred. If you do not see the funds after a reasonable period, check the payment status in your Rakuten Advertising account. For any issues, reach out to Rakuten Advertising support for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.